Hey guys, hope you're all fine and welcome to another video of all about tech reviews, and today I'll be reviewing the cheapest premium metal earphones, and you won't believe this cost only 300 rupees. So without any further delay, let's get into this video. Nowadays, if you search for a premium earphones with good sound, they will cost you around 1000 to 2000 rupees, and this earphones from Mobilife costs only 300 rupees and sounds, looks, feels almost same to the 1000 to 2000 rupees costing earphones. The benefits of having low cost earbuds are many. This should at least sound good enough for daily usage, but after that, if the earbuds are cheap, I don't worry if I forget them or drop them in water. Now the unboxing experience was very simple. There are some important things mentioned in the package, which was this earphone is too loud than normal earphones, so it's advised to keep the volume level down while walking. This is mentioned since the sound produced by this earphone is loud and has deep bass. At the back, some features are mentioned, such as it has got metal shell, shiny decoration, in-ear design, clear and elegant sound isolation, and deep bass music with outstanding purpose. So that's all what was mentioned. In the right, you will find the details about the smart remote control, and that's all. On opening the package, you will get the earphones. In this review, I will rate each category with the same set of characteristics to allow for easy comparison between the earphone. These characteristics will be build quality, design, audio usage, audio quality, and design and overall impressions. Now let's start with the build quality. Now the design is really good and looks and feels premium since it's made out of metal. The smart remote functions well and the mic is okay. The bass is smooth and does not discomfort. It produces deep bass but also crisp, snappy high, and that doesn't tire the ears, which is an important quality for my use. Now I am giving them a build quality of 4.5 out of 5 stars. These are fantastic compared to any of the cheap models that I have ever tried in the past. Design and usage. The metal earphone is awesome and you won't find any other earphones with the same quality and design under rupees 300. It's the cheapest premium earphones. They almost never have tangle issues, but the earbuds can get caught if the earbuds aren't coiled nearly before storage. These are close to the ultimate in tangle-free use, but I feel more rigid cable would prevent tangles. They are just too soft. The design is closed but not quite right. Just like a regular cord, they can become tangled eventually. I will give them a pretty good rating, 4 out of 5 possible stars. Now before I give my opinion regarding the sound quality and the audio quality, here is a sample clip. Now talking about my opinion, this is another set of earbud that I can absolutely use every single day. The audio quality is absolutely great. I am quite happy to listen to this for few hours. I was impressed that the small details like the rain and the hand precision were coming through, just like the last review of the hi-fi earphones. If you haven't seen it, links would be in the description so you can watch it. These are almost like my studio speakers. The range of the sounds this can faithfully reproduce is shocking. I haven't seen a pair of cheap earbuds that sounds this good ever. These are certainly good enough for daily usage and sounds great. I'll be giving 5 out of 5 stars in this category. Now coming to overall impressions, these are a fantastic set of earbuds. They are stylish in an interesting way. The metallic finish is simply awesome and gives a nice touch to the earphones. The overall rating for these were 13.5 out of 15 stars. If you want to get hands on this, you can buy them now at Amazon India. I will leave a link to them in the description box so you can check it out. As always, you can stay tuned for more reviews in the upcoming months. So that's all for this video. Hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share this video to your loved ones who also want a premium earphones but could not afford one. So they can definitely buy this earphones at 300 rupees and they won't get disappointed. So you can also buy them. Links will be in the description. So don't forget to like this video and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and also comment below and share your thoughts regarding this product. So that's all for this video. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.